Somehow I found a way to get lost in you. Let me inside, let me get close to you. Change your mind, I'll get lost if you want me to. Somehow I found a way to get lost in you. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks for tuning in. I want to teach you guys how to play this awesome song that was requested. This is called Lost in You by 3 Days Grace. It's a really great song. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new videos. Let me know also if you know of any songs you want to learn and stuff in the comments. I'm more than happy to try and oblige the best I can. I mostly do country and punk. So anyway, let me know. So let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo. There's only 4 chords you're going to use for this whole song. It's really easy. So you're going to start with D. D and A are going to be the ones you use the most. See that? Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So that's the intro, is D and then A, and you just do that 3 times, okay? So I'm going to show you the strumming pattern a little bit more. I'm going to do it regular, and then I'll show you a little bit slowly. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so like that, and I'll show you slower. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, just like that. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, just like that. So you're just doing down, down, up, down. So on up, down. Okay, up, down. That's where you go to A. Up, down. Okay, up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just gonna do that 3 times is the intro. Okay, and then you're gonna go into the verse, which is I always knew. So it's D is I always knew that you'd come. Okay, come. So you on A do come. So it's still I always knew that you'd come back to get me, and you always knew that you wouldn't. Okay, so here is where you're going to use the first chord, not D or A. You're going to do F sharp minor. Okay, which is just you're going to bar from the A string down on the 2nd fret. Okay, like that, and then you're going to put your power finger. It's like a power chord, but you're going to put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the D string, and then your pinky on the G string on the 4th fret. Okay. I always knew that you'd come back to get me, and you always knew that it wouldn't be easy. Okay, so on wouldn't is where you do F sharp minor. Wouldn't be easy. Okay. Then you're gonna go back to D, and to go back to the start where to C. Okay, so go back to the start is D. Okay, to go back to the start where to C. To see where, okay, to see where is where it's A. To see where it all began. And then you go to D, right? Or end up at the bottom to watch. Okay? So or end is D. And then to watch is F sharp minor. To watch how it all ends. Okay, now here you're gonna do like the pre-chorus, and this is where you're gonna use E as well. So this is the only other this is where you use E as well, okay? This is the only other chord you use. So these are the 4. Alright? So here's where the strumming pattern is a little bit different for the pre-chorus. You just do down. You tried to lie. So on U, right before you. You tried to lie and say I was F. So I do down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. So you don't have to do the up, down, up. When I switch chords, I like to do the, so you do that, you see that? So in between, you do like a down, up, down, okay? So you go down right before you do E. You tried to lie and say I was F. Okay, everything. So the beginning of everything is F sharp minor. Everything. Okay, so see that? Down, 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 down. So you could just do the whole thing down, down, down. You tried to lie and say I was everything. Okay, so everything F sharp minor. D. okay? You could do that, or you can do it like I am. I think it sounds better if you do it the way that I am, but if you're new, you don't have to. So it's E. You tried to lie and say I was everything. So thing, down, up, down, up, down, okay? Okay, so you don't mute it, but you're just going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you go back to E. I remember when I said I'm nothing without you. Okay, so on nothing, I'm nothing. Nothing is A. Nothing without you. Nothing without you. Okay, so you do I'm nothing without you. So nothing is A. Nothing without you. And then you go on to E. I'm nothing without you. You just do one hit, okay? And then you're just gonna let it ring. And then you go into the chorus from here. Nothing without you. Okay, then you go into the chorus. Somehow I found a way to get lost in you. So you're gonna do somehow as D. Somehow I found. Okay, so it's D, F sharp minor, then A, then D. All right. Somehow so it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so it's D is somehow. Somehow I found. Found is F sharp minor, easy to remember. Found a way. Way is A. A way to get lost. Lost is D. Lost in you. Let me inside. So D is let. Let. See that? Let me inside. And inside is F sharp minor. Side. Let. Okay, then let again is D. Let me get close. Okay, close is E. Close to you. Change. Okay, change is D. Change your mind. Mind is F sharp minor. Mind. I'll get lost. Lost is A. Lost if you want. Want is D. Want me to. Okay, you stay on D for this. Somehow I found. Okay, then found is A. Found a way to get lost in you. Okay, so found is A. F sharp minor is way. And then E. Okay, I'm going to walk you through that real quick, and then I'm going to go to the bridge. Okay. So it's D is somehow I found F sharp minor, found a way to get lost. D, lost in you. Let me, so stay on D. Let me inside, F sharp minor, find. Let me, D, let me get close, E, close to you. Change, D, change your mind, F sharp minor, mind. I'll get lost. A, lost if you want. D, want me to. Somehow, so D is still on somehow. Somehow I found A. Okay, found a way. Okay, F sharp minor. Way to get lost. And you just do what? I'll just let it ring out like that on E. Lost in you. Okay, then you're gonna do the D A thing. You're only gonna do it once, and then you're gonna go to the next verse. Okay, now for the bridge, okay, when you do in you, you're just going to do D. In you, the pain of it. Okay, so for the bridge, you're going to do F sharp minor on pain, and then E on rise. Okay, so the pain of it, all the rise is E, rise, and the fall. I see is F sharp minor. See every day. Let's see. I see it all in you. You is D. You. Now every day. So now you do F sharp minor again. Now every day. I find is E. Find myself. Say I want to get lost in you. I'm nothing without you. So then I'm nothing. Nothing is E. Nothing without you. Okay, so the bridge is F sharp minor, E, F sharp minor, D. F sharp minor, E, D, E. Okay, that's how it goes. So then the interlude part, you're just going to do the intro part, you're going to do D, A, and you're going to do this twice. Okay. And then what you're going to do is next is you're going to go to D, F sharp minor, E, okay? And then you're going to go back to the last chorus. All right? That's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or other requests. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.